Hello friends, welcome to Grasping Grammar. The degrees of comparison. We know that adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives change in form to show comparison. They are called the degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The positive degree of an adjective is the adjective in its simple form. It tells us about the quality of the noun or pronoun we speak about. For example, Ram's mango is sweet. In this sentence, we are talking about one mango, Ram's mango. The comparative degree of an adjective shows a higher degree of quality than the positive. We use comparative degree when we compare two things. For example, Hari's mango is sweeter than Ram's. In this sentence, we are comparing two mangoes, Ram's mango with Hari's mango. The superlative degree of an adjective shows the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two things are compared. For example, Shyam's mango is sweetest of all. In this sentence, we are comparing 3 mangoes, Ram's, Hari's, and Shyam's mango. Most adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est. For example, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest, bold, bolder, boldest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, kind, kinder, kindest, young, younger, youngest, great, greater, greatest. When the positive ends in e, only r and st are added to make comparative and superlative. Fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest, large, larger, largest, able, abler, ablest, noble, nobler, noblest, wise, wiser, wisest. When the positive ends in y, preceded by a consonant, the y is changed to I before adding er or est. Easy, easier, easiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, merry, merrier, merriest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. When the positive ends in a single consonant and is preceded by a vowel, this consonant is doubled before adding er and est. Red, redder, reddest, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest, thin, thinner, thinnest, sad, sadder, saddest, fat, fatter, fattest. Some adjectives form the comparative by using more with the positive and the superlative by using most with the positive. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Learned, more learned, most learned. There are some adjectives whose comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less or lesser, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Late, later, latest. Late, latter, last. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Far, farther, farthest. In, inner, innermost. Out, outer, outermost. Up, upper, uppermost. Thus, we can see that these adjectives help us not only to describe different nouns and pronouns but also to compare them. We will learn how to change the degrees of comparison of an adjective in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence in the next lesson. Stay tuned. Goodbye.